Understanding pinning a tweet, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a popular phrase you might have seen on social media, pinning a tweet. It's a simple concept, but it has significant importance in the way we use platforms like Twitter. Whether you're new to social media or looking to deepen your understanding of English phrases used online, this video is for you. Let's get started. Pinning a tweet refers to the action of selecting a specific tweet you've posted on your Twitter account and attaching it to the top of your profile page. Normally, tweets appear in reverse chronological order, with the most recent ones first. However, when you pin a tweet, it stays at the top of your page, regardless of how many new tweets you post after it. This is a way to highlight something important or something you want every visitor to your profile to see first. There are several reasons why someone might choose to pin a tweet. To highlight a personal achievement or news. This could be anything from publishing a book to starting a new job. To promote something, many use it to keep a promotional tweet visible, like for an upcoming event, a product launch, or a sale. To share an important message or statement that reflects their beliefs or opinions on certain matters. By pinning a tweet, users can ensure that this selected tweet captures the attention of profile visitors, making it a powerful tool for communication and marketing on Twitter. Pinning a tweet is a straightforward process. 1. Navigate to the tweet you want to pin. 2. Click on the More option, represented by 3 dots, in the tweet. 3. Select Pin to your profile page. After confirming, the tweet will be pinned to the top of your profile. It's worth noting that you can only pin one tweet at a time. Pinning a new tweet will unpin any previously pinned tweet. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to pin a tweet, and why it's a feature many Twitter users love. Pinning a tweet can be a powerful way to share what matters most to you with anyone who visits your profile. Whether it's for personal expression, promotion, or sharing vital information, understanding how to use this feature can enhance your Twitter experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more content designed to help you navigate the world of English language and social media with ease.